It's a disaster. The undercarriage of my beloved Tesla Model Y has been severely damaged, leaving me with great distress. I asked for a quote from Tesla's after-sales service last time, and the repair cost for the front bumper would be over $1,000, which far exceeds my budget. So, I turned to a third-party aluminum magnesium alloy skid plate specifically designed for Teslas, installed with no damage to the original car. My front bumper was significantly damaged and had to be replaced. I damaged it a few days ago when I reversed onto a road curb. The ground clearance of the Tesla Model Y is really low, making it unsuitable for driving over curbs. Remember, it's not designed to be driven off-road like an SUV. Fortunately, Tesla's manufacturing quality is commendable. Inside the plastic skid plate, there's a core protective plate that has done its job well. After the inspection, the mechanic began to dismantle the original skid plate, which was easily removed. Due to serious leaks in the front skid plate, many large stones had gotten inside. So, folks, remember to replace your skid plate promptly if it's damaged. The mechanic first secured the 2 screws in a key area. This process required 2 people to hold and twist the new skid plate into position. The mold was extremely precise, and there was no need for individual holes or any mismatched places. The mechanic praised the quality of this skid plate. Moreover, the weight of this aluminum magnesium alloy is not much heavier than the plastic, so it won't significantly affect the range, maybe just 1-2 kilometers, which can be negligible. The golden piece you see is the aluminum magnesium alloy skid plate I had installed. Doesn't it look much safer now when I drive? I feel much more confident. Finally, I can breathe a sigh of relief. It feels like my car has been rejuvenated. Let's hit the road and go off-roading together.